it, and
Yeah.
Greg's not going to make it because he had something else going on after the
Oh,
first meeting today.
okay, okay, okay. Thank you so much. Sorry, I just have family over.
No, that's okay. No problem at all. How's your day going?
Been busy.
Well,
Yeah.
we won't take too long. Did you were you able to do mini project 12?
I did. I hope I got it right. I can
Did you
show
want
you.
to share yours and then I'll share mine out? We can.
Yeah, let me see. I haven't really done much. For the logo, were we supposed to make up the name? Or how was that supposed to be?
Yeah, I believe we're just supposed to make up whatever we wanted.
Okay. I just made this. I don't know what else to create as a logo.
I think it's fine with whatever we decide we want to
Okay.
whatever we want whatever we want to do.
How does mine look? What do you think?
If you go up here.
Can you see?
Yep, can see it. Well, kind of. Let me get back to, yep. Okay, yep.
Did I do the numbers right here? And it was sending the sending order and all that.
Yeah, I think so. That looks how mine looks.
Okay.
And then you've got the bar under the averages. You've got the gold and silver. Did you do
Mhm.
your calculations right there on this page?
I did it on the monthly. Let me show you here.
Okay.
That's what I did. I did average and then average quarter for the last three. And then I just put this as a reference here for gold and silver. And then I use
Oh, nice.
that. What was that? Aren't you working? It's not showing the what's going on. Can you see the formulas? No, right?
No, I can't.
What is going on? Okay, let me close it
That's,
maybe.
I've seen that happen before.
Ah, interesting. Let me go open it again. If it works now. Okay, there we go. And this is where I reference then those numbers there. They were in monthly sales. 7,000 and the 2,000.
Is the average thing there that you have there? Is that a,
Here, this is, yeah, VLOOKUP.
I notice you've got a couple where you've got the at signs there, the at symbol. How do those work? Because I haven't seen those before. Is that an array or?
No, it just happened. I don't even know how it happened, but I didn't name anything, so I just noticed that it did that.
Me look at
Talking
that.
about this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just did the customer number. So the customer number here, and it did it that way.
Oh, weird.
Yeah, I don't know why. I've never seen that either, but as I was doing it, I was like, okay. It was just interesting. I didn't even name it.
Well, I noticed that it's called, if you, it has an indirect over there, which is interesting in that box to the left there. Far left on that same line, far left, it says indirect.
This?
No, keep going further left. Keep going all the way to the edge, right above where the numbers are, right above where the number lines are, underneath where it says
Yeah.
clipboard.
Oh,
Yeah, keep
hold
going
on,
up.
hold on.
It says it, yeah,
Clipboard.
it says indirect right there, right
Oh,
below
yeah,
clipboard.
yeah.
Yeah,
Interesting. I didn't even look at that because I didn't really touch anything on this list. Like I used it as they told us to use it.
right, right. No, that's weird. I know that I've seen indirect stuff that you can call things indirectly, so maybe
Oh,
that's what that's doing. I don't know.
maybe. Oh, what did I do? No, I don't want to touch anything.
Interesting. I was just wondering. I didn't know what that was.
Yeah. Ah, good call. I don't know. I didn't know.
I think it might be that call that you're doing right there, the @ symbol,
Mm-hmm.
is using an indirect. There's a function that's called indirect, and it allows you to
Oh, I see what you mean.
call things in a different way, make
Right.
references to other parts of the system in a different way. So that must be what it was. Why that's doing indirect.
Yeah, because technically I just did it like that because it's the VLOOKUP of this information here.
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm using that number so that I can give me the customer number with their average.
Right, right.
Yeah. I don't know
No,
why I
that
did
makes
it like
sense.
that. But interesting. I don't know if I got this one right. I was kind of confused on this line because it looks like everything is marked with this. Is that okay?
It looks like everything is marked.
Right?
Oh yeah, it looks like that one might be wrong.
Okay, that's what I
So
was
let's
wondering.
yeah, let's go look at that
Function.
conditional formatting. That's on the 31 to 20,
Oh, yes.
31 to 60 days, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
31 to 60 days. Hold on. Very wrong.
I think you only have to highlight one row in that field, and it'll let you do that.
Oh, okay.
Just so you know, you don't have to highlight all of them.
And I did all of these for to get the gold and the silver thing working. Because it wasn't working at first for me. Did you do it a different way too?
For what do you mean? I'm sorry.
Because you see my conditional formattings, I did so many of them in order to get the
Oh, I see you. Okay, so you did each individual
like
column
column, yeah.
rather than no. I actually did it as one. I can show you mine later.
Okay, okay, okay. Let me see. Let's edit this rule. So then should I just do
Just
no icon,
yep,
no cell
yep.
icon?
Just put no icon there
Okay. That's what I thought, but I was like, I'm not sure if it's correct.
because it looks like that's what you have for the other ones too.
Yeah, this one looks okay. This here looks good. I'm sorry, this yeah.
The only thing that I noticed when
Mhm.
when Craig and I met earlier, I noticed that it's really hard without lines here to tell
Yeah.
whether the X's and exclamation marks go with current, which column they're going with.
Mhm. So should
So
I just add a what do you think? Should I add a border?
yeah, he added borders for all of his, but whatever you want to do, it's just
I think so because I was getting confused. You saw that.
yeah.
uh, you ready? Let's see. Yeah, that's better.
Just
I
makes
can
it easy
tell
to
what is
see
what.
which
Yeah.
it goes with, right?
Yeah.
And you've got your totals at the top.
Mhm.
You've
I'll
got
just
your
call this
logo. You've got
shipping
a
list.
oh, the only thing that you're missing, I can tell,
Uh huh.
is you need a title of the report of what this
Is
is
it?
called.
What do you think? Is it? My name is shipping list, but I don't know.
Oh, gotcha.
Uh
Okay.
huh.
Well, it's actually this is not a shipping list. This is an accounts receivable aging
Oh.
report, which means it's talking about outstanding um, invoices that they have to customers. So
Mm.
these customers have been sent products and they
Mhm.
have invoices that they're waiting to get that we're waiting to get paid from them. So they're outstanding accounts receivable.
Oh, okay, okay.
And it's called an AR aging report is what it's called.
Should I just name it that?
That's what I named it.
Okay. I'll make it easier. Cannot write. Oh my goodness.
And that's a standard report for any
Okay.
company.
Maybe I should move this up. Ah. Ah. No, I'll leave it there then. I don't want to mess up with this. Yeah, because I have this here.
Yeah, it looks good. I can't see anything that yeah, it looks good.
Okay. And then this should be okay, right? You just need to add the average quarter in class.
Yeah. Yeah, I believe so. That shouldn't
Okay.
be any problem. They didn't say not to modify that.
Yeah. Okay. Did you change the name at the bottom here to say like summary or something?
I did call it the AR aging report is what I called it. I can share my screen out.
Okay.
In fact, I think it's shared right now.
Okay, let me stop sharing now. Okay. Let me go to your screen. Okay. Yeah, I can see it. Oh, I love the logo.
I just
It's so cute.
I just nabbed one off of the internet.
Oh, it's cute. It's a monster.
So yeah, I just called mine Purple Monster AR aging report.
Oh, that's so adorable. It's more friendly.
Yeah, I thought so.
I like it. Oh, and I see that you made your column there for average sales a little bit bigger. You could see the bars. I was thinking of doing that. Can you hear me?
Yep. You were thinking of doing that, as I said.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, that looks good.
And then mine I just did V lookups back to the monthly sales table. So in monthly sales, I did kind of like you.
Okay.
I did the 12-month average, the
Mhm.
3-month average. The thing that I should have done is the same thing that you did, and
Oh, I see.
that was make these a lookup here, right? So there's silver.
Yeah.
Silver is 2,000.
Uh-huh. Gold is
And gold is 7,000, right?
7,000. Uh-huh.
So I should have just used either VLOOKUP or just tied to this.
Mhm.
So those could easily be updated.
Right.
I think I may do that just because it makes it easier.
Yeah. That's good. Yeah, maybe I should highlight mine like you did.
And I usually just do those so that it's mainly for me so that I know that these are calculated fields.
Right. Yeah, that's a good idea. Because usually I tend to get confused too. Yeah, I like that. Mhm.
Yeah, so I think I will.
Mhm. How did Craig do?
It looked good.
Okay, I haven't seen the video yet.
So I go here.
And then reference now.
Whoops.
There we
Right.
go.
And then delete this one. I'm really enjoying this class.
It's cool.
Learned
Did you
so
look at
many.
the personal thing that you need to do, create at the end of the classes for the final project?
Did. I submitted save this really quick.
Mhm.
Um, yeah, so I did. So Craig and I were talking about this earlier that in lesson 14 it tells you what your personal project is supposed to be.
Mhm.
Did you already look at that?
Yeah.
And then this
I'm
week,
going I'm
go
going to
ahead.
make something related to my business because I have a small Etsy shop and
Oh,
I need to get organized with like how much I'm spending and how much I'm earning on that.
oh, that's a great idea.
Yeah, because I just started last semester because of my business class. It required us to open up a business or create a business technically. And I was like, why not do it now? Because I've been thinking about this for so long and I've never done it.
What kind of
And
business?
so
What kind of business
it's
is it?
a jewelry business,
Oh,
a
cool.
leather jewelry business. Yeah. So
So you
yeah,
make making
I made
jewelry?
some sales already on Etsy. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Surprisingly. So I'm like, yay, I'm
That's
making
awesome.
it. And so, and I'm planning this summer to go to like art fairs around the area. So I
Right.
definitely need that sheet to like help me organize myself and see what I'm spending and what I'm not, you know.
Yeah, good idea.
Yeah, so yeah, I think that would be helpful for me.
I know I did that for my wife's business.
Oh, really?
Last year when I was doing taxes, I put together a spreadsheet to
Oh,
help keep track of all the stuff.
uh-huh. What does she do?
She is a health and relationship coach. So she helps people with,
I'm sorry, you were cutting off.
she's a health and relationship coach.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
That's awesome.
yep. She just graduated from BYU Idaho last December.
Oh, nice.
Yep. So she's excited about it. She's having
That's
fun.
that's awesome. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait to finish my degree.
Yeah, it's going to take me like 20 years, but that's okay.
I know. I'm the same page. I have like 3 more years, I guess. I'm going at the same pace I'm going.
Oh, well, I'm I'm not in it to necessarily get a degree, just continue to learn a bunch of stuff.
That's good. That's good. Yeah, my husband's getting
Yeah.
his master's too, so we're both in school.
Oh my goodness.
I know. I don't even know. It's okay. We're making it
Now
happen.
you're back east. Where are you located?
I'm in Maryland.
Maryland. Okay.
Yeah, so close
Yeah.
to Washington, D.C.
Yep.
It's crazy here. It's so
Oh, I
crowded.
can imagine.
We went to look at Virginia just like 2 weeks ago because we're considering moving there maybe.
Yeah.
And it looks so much calm, I guess. I don't know. I feel like life here in this area is just like run, 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 run. Like everything is fast. It's like, it's just
Crazy
crazy.
busy.
And traffic is horrible. Like I used to work 15 minutes from my house, but because of traffic, takes me an hour to get there.
Oh yeah.
Going there and getting back. So it was like the entire day I'm out, you know, doing something. It's like by the time I get home, it's dark. It's
Yeah.
7:30 or 7, and it's like no, it's not a life.
That's
Not for
hard. And
us.
how old's your little one?
She's 6 months today. No, but
Okay.
I left my job. I left my job. I was like, I can't do this. It's gonna be too crazy. Oh, not
Yeah.
good. But
Is your husband working while he's doing his masters?
yeah, he is. But the good thing is his company pays for the school, so
Oh, nice.
he doesn't have to worry about that much. Yeah, he got
That's
into Georgetown, so he's pretty smart.
nice.
Yeah. So
Oh, very cool.
we'll see.
Well, good
But
luck if you decide to move. Hopefully it goes well.
I hope so, yeah, because if it happens, it may happen by the end of this year.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, so it'll be soon, and then that means the summer, I just want to clean my house, make sure I throw away things that I don't need, start thinking about maybe packing if we need to,
Yeah.
because we may sell the house too, and it's just gonna be a lot going on.
So is it where you would move to? Is your husband going to be done with school by then, or?
No, he won't, but it will still be, he will have to travel to go to school, but he's willing to do that. It's just he will have more space to grow there versus where
Yeah.
he's now. And
And is
he's the kind of person who gets bored quickly. He likes what he does, but he's like, I don't know, he just likes to be doing stuff all the time,
Yeah,
busy learning new things. He loves teaching, so hopefully he can find something in teaching within the company,
nice.
and that can help him because
Good.
eventually he wants to be a professor.
Oh,
Yeah.
somebody has to do the teaching,
Yeah.
right?
He's
Well,
really good.
I'm gonna stop the broadcast here.
Okay.